We are going to be making artist trading cards for Wishtree. And on one side, we are going to draw one of the characters from Wishtree. On the other side, we are going to draw a wish or a quote from the book. And even though it's a trading card, it's still a piece of art. So I want you to remember to mix your colors, to fill the page, make sure any writing is done very nicely. Did you know with colored pencil that you can mix it just like you mix paint? And one way to do that is just by starting with one color. You can see I've put a little brown in the grass and in the raccoon, and then I went over it with green. I'm putting a little blue, mixing a little blue in the raccoon's mask that's normally black just to make it a little more interesting. And I'm using hatching and cross hatching, which is just the little lines that you see in the drawing. You can even give points to yours if you want to make a game out of it. It's up to you, but just remember the art comes first and make sure they look beautiful. Have fun creating.